Hi guys, today since Christmas spirit is in the air, I am featuring Hemangi Damani. She's working with Cute Crafts, who's just recently collaborated with Cute Crafts. Hemangi, do you want to tell our viewers what exactly are you doing with Cute Crafts?
So what we're doing exactly here is that I would be conceptualizing ideas for them, like we do. Even basically we're into gifting for kids and art activities, DIY activities. So I would be conceptualizing ideas for them if they want to give something personalized for a birthday return, for a kid's party, a play date. And then I would work around with the client and then design something personal that is good for the client and help Cute Crafts to incorporate it and how to go about working it out, make it feasible for both the parties.
So how did you get this idea of doing what you're doing right now?
So I have two boys and I'm always on the lookout to get him to be occupied into something, because being absolutely gender unbiased, I would say that, keeping a boy grounded and sitting at a place and, getting his attention to a crafting is like an achievement, at least for me. So with, trying my hands, burning my hands with their return gifts and like their play dates, activities and all that, I realized, okay, this is something that I can do and I can help other moms too. So that's where I got this whole thing. So, and recently I'd done my elder one's return gifts. So I personalized this entire travel companion box, which helps, like moms just have to take that box and put it in the car and the kids are busy and happy in road trips. So they have like games, board games, a drawing pad, a memory diary where they learn to write how their trip was. And basically, how they can keep themselves occupied through trips, through journeys, and it's all consolidated for the moms also. So they don't have to go hunting for different things like pencils, erasers, crayons, paints. So something like that. So that's how I'm doing. So now I'm working on these Christmas projects with them.
Do you want to elaborate on to what kind of Christmas projects you're doing? Since we are
Yes.
Christmas, let's talk about that.
Yes. So for Christmas, what we are doing is giving them 4 different things using 4 different materials. So one's going to be a very nice DIY photo frame with the Christmas ornaments to put up to stick on that. Then we're doing a very nice Santa card. In that we are using like laminated papers with cotton, and then we are doing streamers for them so they can put it up in their rooms, and then a very nice jolly stick which they just hang it anywhere, and all this goes in a very nice cardboard box with a nice stocking and all that, and Santa caps and all that. So basically, even if mothers are having like a play date where they call like 5-6 kids, all they need to do is just give one of our kids, and the kid's busy and has everything to do in that.
So basically, even though this brand is for kids, making life easier for the mothers of youngsters, very young children.
Of course, because the minute the child is occupied, the mom's happy. She can sit and enjoy one cup of tea without any... The basic thing is how we can help a mom through this phase, because it's with the pandemic, with the lockdowns, with kids at home, it's a very difficult time for the kids more than us. We would still step out and all that, but I personally feel that the kids have been the most supported throughout. So going out the way to please them and to keep them self-motivating themselves and passing through every festival is what is a challenge right now.
Yeah. So I think it is a fantastic idea. I'm sure moms around India would be very happy to take your DIY kits and, keep the kids busy.
Yes, because the things that we make, we are now, stepping into shipping it across like major cities and taking the brand everywhere. So I'm like getting them to start promoting, making the boxes in such a way, getting everything in such a way that you can send it across. You're just expanding as much as possible, because at the end of it, any business is always aiming at expansion.
Right.
And why limit yourself? Yeah, sky's the limit today for moms, for all of us.
Yeah, true. So Hemangi, do you want to talk about any of the challenges you faced recently, in your work? I know you just collaborated. So what are the challenges?
So it's basically, like trying to work with hard raw materials, because I've always been like into job or into gifting. I was primarily into gifting solutions, but we were more into like the delicate stuff. So now when we're looking at taking it to different cities, and when you're looking at, something sturdy that, the kids don't want, you're okay to throw it, you're okay to, just even the rough use is fine. So that is a challenge wherein it has to give a delicate look, but it is a very toughened thing. So that was one challenge that we faced, because then we were like, we don't want to make it very girly and the very that kiddish stuff, Like girly stuff is there, of course, like we have a lot of unicorns and a lot of that. But at the same time, we wanted to make it very sturdy.
Yeah.
So the boys can handle it.
Right. In this new venture, where do you see yourself in another 5 years?
So another 5 years, I really want to take this brand to a level wherein, like people are really looking forward to this return gift. I hope it's from Cute Crafts, and from I hope Hemangie's designed it. So it's something that it's like very a nice personalized touch to it, plus something that kids look forward to opening our boxes. Oh, this is going to be something amazing.
Yeah. I am sure that you will get there. I am sure you're very
enthusiastic
about it. So tell us, how do you get this enthusiasm going?
I have like a lot of motivation from my husband and from the kids. So like my 7-year-old I sat down and spoke to him that Mama's going to be starting this. So Mama will have to give time to that also. Yeah. So he was like he took his time to think over it. My 7-year-old, you would not believe this. So my 7-year-old took time, thought about it and said, yes, Mama, it is really good. Please do it. How we like, when you get little things, but as I'm sure all the kids would love it. So I was like, wow.
Oh, that is so sweet.
That keeps me going, for sure.
I'm sure you'll get there. So, Hemangi, thank you so much for taking out time. I know that you are juggling with new business and 2 children. It is a lot of work, I understand that, but thank you so much for taking out time and giving us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for getting my voice heard to people.
Yeah, we have amazing youngsters like yourself on this platform on a regular basis. It is for them that, people understand that small little new startups and how creative they are and how they are getting their...
And I really want to thank you for this, Julie, because what you were doing is so good. There's so many things that we in the city itself don't know about, and you are bringing it to us, and that is such a good initiative that you've taken up. So I really kudos to you.
Thank you. Thank you.